dead? He's dead. Yeah, he's cooked. Oh my god, that damage is insane. It ain't over just yet. Is he dead? I should have done this before. All right, we have 3 of these because for some reason they thought that was like a good idea. I thought he was gonna forfeit. I'm not gonna lie. I was fully expecting him to forfeit after that. I was sitting here yeah, there it is. Dude, this guy looks so good, bro. Holy dude, he looks so good. Understandable, Goku. Yeah, you go crazy, buddy. Look at that damage.